श्री माजिद मेमन सर हे नामांकित क्रिमिनल लॉयर आहेत. त्याचबरोबर ते राष्ट्रवादी पक्षाचे वरिष्ठ राजकीय नेते आणि भारताच्या राज्यसभेचे सदस्यही आहेत. माजिद मेमन सर हे कायदा या विषयातील तज्ज्ञ आहेतच. भारतीय संविधान आणि भारतीय न्यायव्यवस्था या विषयांमध्ये त्यांचा गाढा अभ्यास आहे. अनेक महत्त्वाच्या व्यक्तींच्या केसेस मेमन सरांनी हाताळलेल्या आहेत. याचबरोबर मानवी हक्क म्हणजेच ह्युमन राईट्स या विषयातील लढ्यामध्ये ते कायमच सक्रिय राहिलेले आहेत. अशा प्रभावशाली व्यक्तीचं मार्गदर्शन ऐकायला तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडेल.
Well, in our country today, there is a great need of young people taking law as a subject, as career, and then making professional legal career as the aim of life. Because I must say that there may be many choices for young brilliant youths, because every time when a boy or a girl completes his education or her education, then the parents or the kids themselves think of which would be the best career for us, and the first consideration for choosing the career is how successful it would be, how money making it would be, how much benefit one would get. Well, these are generally the considerations, but let me make it very clear that legal profession has certain advantages. For example, unlike any other profession like engineering, IT, medical, etc., legal profession has an inherent advantage of the fact that the person who acquires legal education equips himself or herself, in a position which is certainly better than anybody else, because knowledge of law helps you live your life apart from the vocation or profession that you choose, or service that you may choose. Knowledge of law itself is a great asset within a person. Now, if you want to talk about legal profession, you see, legal profession is a great profession because Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and all eminent people, including the topmost world leaders, are all practically lawyers. They have done their law and they have practiced law for quite some time. Now, therefore, legal profession is probably, in my view, the best option for any youth. Now, you can also, make good money, good fortune. There is no dearth of, the returns that you would be getting. If you are a competent, honest, hardworking lawyer with integrity, with reputation, then there is no end. Sky is the limit for your earnings. And therefore, from that point of view also, you would make a very successful and a right option in case you choose for legal education. Now, furthermore, you see, to practice law is to serve a society, very importantly, which I am suggesting. You serve your society, you serve your nation, you serve your people. You can enlighten people, defend them against injustice, provide them justice, and ensure that nobody suffers because of unjustified conduct towards such person by means of legal knowledge. So therefore, there are multiple benefits over any other profession for legal profession. I, as a lawyer, have spent more than 4 decades in courts, various courts of the country, and I had the occasion and fortune to even appear in various courts outside India. And I have myself felt that I have taken a right decision at the time when I completed my studies, that I would go for law, because I had a craze, I had an urge that I must become a lawyer, and not just a lawyer but a successful lawyer. I have achieved several successes in the course of my 44 years career as a lawyer, and I would advise young boys and girls that you must remember that not only it is advantageous to you but you become an asset to the society, which is a great satisfactory achievement. And therefore, I believe that over any other profession, even medical profession may be a noble profession. The engineers also perform great job in the progress of a country. Various other professions also have their own plus points. But I believe that if you have a comparative study, legal career and the career as a lawyer in a society, given society, stands clearly above anything else. And therefore, I would advise that young boys and girls must uh, try to turn to law, acquire legal education, don't feel shy, don't think of just becoming a law graduate and then serving the bank or serving some institution, etc. That would be not the optimum use of your knowledge, optimum use of your personality. And to become a lawyer, you groom your society, your personality. You have great opportunity of developing your character, your personality. And I therefore would suggest that young boys and girls must turn to legal profession and serve the society and the nation.